Now that you have all your clock-in records, here's how you can get your timesheets in the Snap.
Staff Any automates all your timesheet calculations, and here you can see it all at one glance. You can also simply filter by date and you can choose whatever period that you want. Next, you are also able to choose which section or location that you wish to view. Here, we provide a breakdown of all the hours worked, including the scheduled hours, total hours, overtime hours, as well as the staff performance on how many times they are late or absent. You can also click into a specific staff and will give you a further breakdown of their individual time in and time out. You can also make adjustments if necessary. We understand that timesheet data is super sensitive, and we make sure that all these records are being recorded in terms of the changes, so there's always transparency and accountability in your team. Your staff are also able to see these changes on their end so that there will be no discrepancies at the end of the month. And you can export all this data out through a summary or individual. So this is how it looks like. Tada! This is how the data looks like on a CSV file. Staff Any is also integrated with various payroll partners so that you have a truly seamless timesheet consolidation end of month payroll experience.
And with this, I just share you some of the secrets in terms of how some companies manage to reduce labor costs and improve operational efficiency through a smarter scheduling and more automated time attendance too. Do you hear the clock ticking? Oh man, that's extra labor costs you're spending every minute. So why not start now? Let's go! Oh,